All right, so another technology that is really important for any developer, containers. So around container, there's a lot of questions. So in this video, I would like to show you how my backend is deployed on a Docker container. So this demo is totally run in my local environment. So first I will load my frontend. So let's wait some minutes. All right, for next, I have to previously I've been working on the same application, but trying to Dockerize it. So the idea is the whole environment, or I mean the whole development environment is loaded into a single container. In simple terms, I would say it is work like a VM, like a virtual machine, but most dynamically. So as you can see, since my backend is not loaded, I can fetch the data. All right, so let's try to uh, let's try to load my container. Since I'm working on Linux, I'm using Docker Compose. Okay, if you are a Windows user or a Mac user, I guess the equivalent is Docker Desktop. All right, so this is a very different process in order to create the Docker and in order to deploy. In future videos, I would like to show you how my approach, how to accomplish this task. So as you can see, we have two containers. In one of them, it is the application, and in the other one, it is the database. I'm using PostgreSQL DVMS. Okay. I think the version is the 13. All right, so let's take a look about the status of each component of each container. All right, so great. So the application is listening on the 3000 port, and as you can see, the database is listening in the default port of Postgres, and they are up and running. All right, so let's go to the web browser and let's try to open up the DevTools console, and let's refresh this. All right, so we got the data. The status is 304. Maybe because this request is in the memory. So let's try to clear the cache. And as you can see, we got a 200 status. Awesome. So the front end is communicated to this container in order to get the data through this another one. All right, so let's try to place an order, maybe a different one from the last video. Okay, awesome. All right, so let's use fake data. Of course, in a future version, I will validate carefully the entering data. Okay, I mean, still in the in very early stage of this application because I'm trying different approaches, such deployments, such as containers, between other facts. All right, so finally, let's try to place this order. I will clear my console and let's see how it works. All right, so we got again 200 status, and that's it. So this is a great opportunity in order to try different technologies in an early stage of this project. So of course, in the next video, I would like to give you some details about this process. But in the next one, I will talk about the branches, how I manage this different uh, stage of the project. So thanks a lot and stay tuned.